Okay? Okay, so before we end this lecture video, it is very important that you're aware of the properties of union and intersection. So the first property is that every element X in A intersection B belongs to both A and B. Hence, X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So it is actually very self-explanatory. It just means that if X is in A intersection B, that is if X is a common element of A and B, then X belongs to A and also X belongs to B, since X is a common element. So to write formally, A intersection B is a subset of A and of B. So it is in this form, no? So it just means that every element in A intersection B is found in A and is also found in B. Since again, intersections is a result of common elements of both sets. Okay, so for example, we have a set A that contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B that contains 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if we intersect this set, we have the common elements 3 and 4, as you can see. Now, 3 and 4 is an element or is a subset of the set A. And 3 is 4 is also a subset of set B, since again 3 and 4 is common to both sets. So it, that is it. That is what the property 1 is talking about. So it's just important that you know this property so that when you encounter this kind of equation, no, you know what this means. Okay, the next property is that an element X belongs to the union A, union B, if X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay, so this means that if you have an element, uh, this element, if this element belongs to the A union B, then of course this X should belongs to A and this X should also belongs to B. Or the or yeah. The next property, the property 2, no, states that if you have an element X, no, that belongs to the union that is an element of A union B, and this X could belong to A or this X could also belong to B. So hence every element in A belongs to A union B and every element in B belongs to A union B. Of course, because we unioned A and B. So every element from A and B is found in the union of both sets. So if we write this formally, we have this equation. So A is a subset of A union B and B is a subset of A union B. Okay? So example, so we have sets 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A that has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B with elements 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7. If we union this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As you can see, the A here belongs to the A union B, and the B here belongs also to the set. Okay, so this is just as a common sense, no? But sometimes, makalimutan nga yung na-say nga ng property. So it is important to keep that in mind, especially when you are encountered with problems such as proving and other stuff. Okay? So that is all for the union and intersection set operation. In the next video, we'll be talking about complements, difference, symmetric difference, which are also set operation. So see you then.